Hello guys, so welcome to KO Tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have started with the modeling of this particular bathroom over here. So let's continue further. So now what we'll be doing over here is like you can create such leaves over here. So there are different ways to create leaves. How you can create it with a line also. You can create such leaves with a line also. You can just break this curve over here, slightly push this behind, and you can just mirror it in y-axis like this. And let's just attach it. Select the vertices, fuse vertices, weld vertices, fuse vertices, weld vertices, and after that what I can do is like I can just give a extrude modifier. You can add a extrude modifier over here, and definitely you can convert to editable poly, and even you can add a bend modifier, but it won't bend properly. The reason is we don't have that accurate segments, but you can slightly bend that. Convert to poly, Alt A, I'll just align it over here, and I can slightly scale this, scale a bit, and you can set it individually as you want. You can make branches also. You can make small branches, whatever is required. So I can just mirror it. In x-axis, I'll make a copy of it. I can just slightly scale that. So that is possible over here. That can be done. So I'll just rotate it. So let's just again duplicate this over here. Slightly shuffle it over here. So you can, increase the count accordingly. So you can just select this and rotate it, and you can put it. So that is possible. I can rotate it. Even you can make the side branches if required. You can make the side branches also. You can use a line tool. So if you want, you can just go over here and you can make a side branches over here. Rendering, enabling viewport, and reduce its thickness. Alright, now the next part over here, what we are going to model over here is like, we'll create such stuff which is at the bottom. So that can be created. Let's take a cylinder, or you can take a cone also. Cone is also okay over here for now. So you can just take a cone and let's give a taper modifier. You can just give a taper modifier over here and let's convert to editable poly. Again, extrude this up and scale it out. Slightly push this down. You can use spline also. We can use a lathe modifier also. Slightly just shuffle it in this way. So select the polygons and let's slightly give a bit of inset and extrude it inside. Press R and let's scale this. So you can go over here and you can use a swift loop also over here and slightly just push this up if required. So select the vertices. So if you don't need that much of vertices, I can, we'll keep few of the vertices. Alright, it looks much better. So select this edges and let's give a bit of chamfer. Now for this handle, I can use a line tool over here. That's it. And I can increase the thickness of that particular handle over here. Now increase its thickness and convert to editable poly. You can add one swift loop over here. Select the vertices and place it in this way. That's it. Alright. So if required, you can give a bit of a turbo smooth. Select this and slightly will add a bit of chamfer and click OK. So once you're done, I can just duplicate that. I'll just rotate it. I'll scale this and I'll make one more copy of it. Save your file and let's scale this up. So just push this up. There's a lot of space over here. How you can create such leaves? You can create such leaves. So I'll go over here. I'll go onto the top view. I'll just take a. I'll off this enable in viewport. So let's again take a line. So Alright, I'll just break it and I'll just mirror it in y-axis over here in this way. So let's just slightly rotate it and attach it. So select this and fuse vertices, weld vertices, fuse this, weld this. So definitely. And let's give a extrude modifier. So you can just scale this. So just select this and set it to 90 degree, rotate it. I'll scale this. Enabling viewport. Place it over here. So again scale this. So we are just making it normally. Slightly rotate it. Alright, that can be managed accordingly. So we can, when you will texture it, it will look good over here. So right now we are just doing it. So just save your file. So guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So we have a lot of things left. So definitely there are a lot of details, so it's going to take time. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.